goodbye to your natural hair. Oh my God! Do it. What's up, you guys? You guys have been requesting a natural hair update video, and I've been promising to give that to you. But something I didn't share with you guys is I've been battling for a long time on making the decision to relax my hair. I'm not going to go into detail as of why, but I will say this. It's not something that I just woke up and decided I'm going to relax my natural hair today. It's been 8.5 years, and I've big chopped my hair 4 times. The last time being April of last year. This is something that I have been pacing back and forth on for about a year now. And a lot of the protective styles that I've been wearing was to prolong the process of deciding. I will say this, I love my natural hair, but I can't. I just can't. And I will explain to you why in my next video. And it's gonna come from an honest place, because a lot of us naturals, we don't like to be honest. So this is my hair. It's so weird because when you go from like big hair to flat hair, it's just so different. Like one of the reasons why I'm happy that I decided to relax my hair is because now I can see my hair. I can see what's going on. Before, my hair was so weird, I couldn't tell if it was growing. I couldn't tell if it was getting thicker, if it was thinner, because it was always in a big poofy state. You know, before, I didn't know if my hair was really full. I've always said that I have really fine hair. My hair looks very thick and it looks very, very full, but in actuality, my strands are very fine. So straightened out, it's not as full. My hair has been like that since, I don't know, like since maybe a year after I went natural. But you know, now I can work on it, I can treat it and use certain products, you know, to where I can see the results, to where I can see exactly what's going on. Even if you don't agree with my decision to relax my natural hair, if you support me, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button so that I can come back and share with you guys my journey and what led up to this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a blessed day. Bye.